Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to print right hand half pyramid using numbers. Okay, like you take n equal to 3. Then in 3 lines we are going to print a pyramid like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, if you take n equal to 4, then 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. Okay, so let's start the question. Take a variable n equal to int input, and I will add here enter n here. Okay, and here I will take a for loop for I in range from 1 to n. Okay, means from 1 to, I'm including n, so I have to take it n plus 1. Okay, so now I will take a for loop again for j in range from 1 to I. So I'm including I, so I have to take I plus 1. And here I will print what? I will print a star, sorry, not a star. I will print a variable which I am going to take here a equal to 1, and here I will print this a, and in next line I will update this a by a plus 1, a plus 1. Okay, and outside this for loop, for going in the next line, I will print slash n, backslash n. Okay, so let's run the code. Take the value of n to be, oh sorry, you have to take here comma and equal to this empty string, because for printing the numbers in the same line. So take the value of n to be 4, enter. So 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so take another value of n, like 9. So in 9 lines we got, sorry, I have to take this a outside this for loop, not here. Copy and paste. Okay, now it will work properly. So take the value of n to be 5, enter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, like this. Take the value 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I hope you understand the question. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.